friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I have the brand new Queen & Company shaker kit. This is Bring On Spring and it's just beautiful. So this kit includes a nice instruction sheet. So it tells you how to use their little shakers and how to put it all together. So that's really handy. And this is just the kit, but there's also a bundle available with so many fun goodies. So I will show you that later. So let me just start by showing you what's included in just the kit. But I'll go ahead and remove it from the plastic because the glare with my overhead lights is always really annoying. So it includes a 6x6 paper pad, and it's a full pad, so it has 24 sheets. This is all double-sided paper, and so there's a total of 12 different pattern designs. But they're bright and cheerful and just perfect for spring. And my camera does make it look a little brighter than what the actual colors are. It has a little more softness to it, so can't really control some of that with my lighting. And then next is the fun stamp set. And I am trying to angle this so you're not getting the reflection, but lots of fun spring and Easter sentiments. So this will be perfect to just brighten up anybody's day, especially after the long winter we've all had. And then there are 18 steel dies. These are so much fun. They have the faux stitching around the main die. And then there's like 2 Easter eggs. One has the beautiful floral design and the other has the little stripes. And it's really fun that it includes a grass die. So I can't wait to use these on my cards. And then since it is a shaker kit, there are a ton of the foam pieces. So you'll get a total of 24. So I love, there's little Easter bunnies, there's little peeps, there's birds, the 2 different Easter eggs, a basket, the tulips, and the carrot. And then of course you'll get all of the acetate covers. And then here are the fun toppings, just so bright and cheerful. So there's pops as well as the pearlies that are included. We'll receive a total of 9 bags of the toppings. So this is everything that is included in the main Bring On Spring kit. Now if you do want to go ahead and get the bundle, let me show you what's included. So first is the glitter pack. There are 6 sheets of this really pretty glitter paper, and this is a no shed glitter. There's nothing loose on here, so it's not going to make a mess at all. And then next there's also one of the refill packs. So you'll get 24 more of the foam and acetate pieces. You'll also get another full refill of all of the toppings. And then this is really fun. There is a Bring On Spring Bling Bundle. So there are 5 different, these are full cards of the jelly gems. There are 5 of the goosebumps. I love the goosebumps. They have just this really pretty glittery look to them. And then there are 6 of the bubbles. So those are all included with this add-on bundle. And then my favorite part are the diamonds. So there's 4 different colors of these little jars of diamonds. So these all match so nicely with the kit. And if you don't want to purchase the Bring On Spring bundle, you can actually buy all of these products individually. So if you just wanted the diamonds, you can buy the diamonds. So I will have links to the kit bundle, as well as all of these additional add-ons in the description box if you are interested. I'm really looking forward to getting started on this kit. I plan on using my 6x6 paper pad tutorial and seeing how many cards I'll be able to make using this beautiful paper pack. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.